The 2021 Jaguar F-Pace seamlessly blends luxury and performance you're sure to fall in love with. From the interior of the F-Pace to impressive powertrain options, this new Jaguar SUV has all the qualities and capabilities you need to conquer every road in Massachusetts. The standard Jaguar F-Pace engine delivers more than enough power to take on whatever lies ahead. And when you upgrade the F-Pace trim to the nearest 2021 F-Pace SVR, you'll be in control of the pulsating 550 horsepower supercharged engine. Want to get behind the wheel of the new Jaguar F-Pace AWD model? You'll maintain complete control through even the toughest weather and road conditions as you drive the 2021 F-Pace SUV equipped with Jaguar all-wheel drive with intelligent driveline dynamics. Comfort and convenience are yours to enjoy as you ride the 2021 Jaguar F-Pace in Massachusetts. The advanced PIVI infotainment system with an 11.4-inch touchscreen comes standard across all Jaguar F-Pace trims, giving you access to innovative technology features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Choose the 2021 Jaguar F-Pace S in Sudbury, MA, and you'll enjoy the upgraded PIVI Pro system with added navigation in this new Jaguar SUV. Under the hood of the P250S is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder petrol engine carried over from the previous generation, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The drivetrain produces 184 kilowatts and 365 newton-meters, is capable of accelerating the F-Pace from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.3 seconds and has a claimed fuel efficiency rating of 7.8 L, 100 kilometers. New fixtures for the 2021 F-Pace lineup include LED headlights, a powered tailgate, optional, configurable cab lighting and the stunning PIVI Pro infotainment system. If the driver ups the ante on throttle, acceleration is very aggressive, and the transmission quickly and smoothly lowers the ratio to enter the right gear for best results. Drive aggressively and you won't stand a chance of achieving an average WLTP fuel economy of 8.7 L, 100 kilometers. But on more casual tasks, we see high sixes, so efficient driving is possible. Jaguar has also improved the active safety feature on the F-Pace. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear collision warning, rear traffic monitor, traffic sign recognition and adaptive speed limiter are now standard on all models.